Hello guys, welcome. You're watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to use Google Maps here. If you would like to use on the basis of the globe level or on a domestic level. If you would like to use for the purpose of the satellite, terrain or traffic, transportation or a state view, if you would like to have spontaneously 3D, 2D, how you will use. As we know that there are so many features have been given by Google Maps developer. Just you should know how to use it. You will get all the information about the universe, guys, with the help of Google Maps. So let's see, study one by one. Just I will go for open Google Chrome browser, and here I will write Google Maps. So I will come on this link, and on the first link just I will click here, and let's see. Now see guys, this is your map level. Just I'm not going first of all in the map level, just I have to come on a globe level. So I will select satellite, and once again I will click here, and I will select globes, and I'm going to zoom in. I will reduce the size of this. Now see your whole space. Wherever you would like to visit, of course you can get. So see guys, if you would like to have the detail on Earth planet, so once again see guys, I will back here, and what I will do guys, I will select this terrain also, and now I'm going to once again here zoom. I'm not going to have the city here. Say just I will back, and I will select this one highlighted also. Now this is your universe here guys. See, first of all I can trace sunlight direction. Sunlight direction is coming from this side, so let's see. First of all, see the sunlight direction. Now see, this is your sun, and it's reflecting on the Asian continent, and see here from this side there is a dark on American continent. So guys, of course I can say that there is a night, and in Asia continent and there is day. Now see, if you would like to visit a Mercury, sometimes the Venus, yeah, Earth planet, yeah, International Space Station, of course you can have, yeah, Moon, yeah, Mars also. See, if I click on a Mars, let's see what I will do guys here. Just I will click on a plus, so I'm going to zoom out and see. Now if I see by clicking on zoom out once again, now see guys, you will get a location name of also if you go in a detail, but video will be lengthy guys, and that's why I'm going to. Now see, on a Mars especially, if we see these dot lines here, that's why the scientists are saying the existence of life, and because this reflectant drops of the water that's dropped in there might be existence of ice caps, of course. So that's why scientists are saying the existence of biotic life, and that can be expected from there. So see, if you would like to visit an International Space Station, I'm not going to detail guys, just I would like to show you that what are the features you can use here. International Space Station with your location, of course you will get here guys. When you click, you will get a location's name simultaneously, of course all the details. One by one, what are the instrument and the application that have been used in an international space, of course you will have the detailed information about. Just I'm going to zoom in. Once again, I will back here, and now see guys, I will select a map. This is very important. Now see what I will do, just I will minimize it, and here this is your on the basis of the globe level, and this is your domestic level. So see guys, I will click on a globe level, I will select it, and I will go for see the whole globes. Now with your name of the continent and countries, you will get all the detailed information. For example, if I click on a United States, you will get now direction option, save option, nearby, and send to your phones simultaneously. You can share it also your locations. If I go in the detail, of course, you will get a nearby landmark, any location also if you would like to have, no problem at all. Here, just I'm going to zoom inside. Now, see guys, if you would like to find out your locations on a domestic level, just you have to click here. So when you will click, it will show your location guys, but it should be connected with your Gmail ID. That should be login, not that shouldn't be log out guys. Then it will trace your the location and you can set it also by clicking here. See guys, on the basis of domestic level, if I say that I have to go for on a, just I will click on a direction, and when I will click on a directions, now I can choose my path from here to where I have to go. For example, let's say in India, if I see that Agra to Delhi, now I will get the details here, informations. If I would like to go for via train route, of course it will take as scarcely 4 hours here. Let's see. And ABC, I would like to go for with a go via especially car. Of course you will get more than 3 hours here having the given. And if you would like to have the particular location, hotels, where of course coffee and etc, you will by clicking here you will get here route. How can I go? So see, this is Agra Kant, and of course this is your Dari. So this route is there, and this route also is possible. It will take a much time, this will take a less time guys. So whole detail, if you go in a detail, you will get a much more detail guys. If you would like to visit via pedestrian, of course you can by walking, you can by cycle, you can by arrow. So all the information, just you have to click. Now just I am going to cut it. I'm back. Now see guys, if you would like to visit the traffic level, of course you have to select this ones. You will get a traffic signals also here, sign up for that. Now see guys, if I visit on a transit, let's see, you will get here the information. Now if I go in a detail, of course you will get now there are transit, of course you will get now see, now details of. See guys, one thing important thing that I would like to mention too, if you would like to have the notification of your locations, of course you have to select it. If you would like to share your location and your flash means just you have to click on here. So let's come on especially once again on a satellite, and I'm going to back it, and I'm going to click on zoom insider. Now this is your globe. Now see guys, I would like to visit Mercury. Just I will click, because this is the very nearest planet to suns in a solar system. Now see here, I would like to see the sunlight locations. I will click once again here. Now see, sunlight is coming from this side, so might be sunlight here. Now let's see. Now this is your sunlight. Now I'm going to in detail with the 3D guys. Control plus, I will mouse the drag here. So now see guys, just I have to hold the control button and I will drag on this planet. Now see here, just I am going to zoom in. can see guys here the whole universe. See, with your location, with location often that's the planet also you can trace guys here. Just you have to back and you have to select. So guys, this is all about in this video tutorial. As we know that video will be lengthy, so this is all about in this. So how do you like this video tutorial? Just leave a comment as a feedback guys. If it is acknowledgeable, then don't forget like and subscribe also to the technology welfare channels, because this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for your education purpose guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Thank you very much. Have a great time. Bye bye.